Projects are initiated in an organization in response to several factors. These several factors can be grouped under 4 fundamental categories. And what are they? Those are listed on the screen. You can see that meet regulatory, legal, or social requirements could be one category. Creating or improving or fixing products, processes, or services could be another category. Satisfying stakeholder needs or requests could be another category. Implement or change business or technological strategies could be another category. So these are the 4 fundamental categories. Within these, we may have several factors that may lead to project. Let's look at some examples. A market demand could be a factor. Now let's take an example. Let's say a company is developing an electric vehicle to address the petrol or diesel shortage in a country. Now this is done to meet a market demand. But this particular specific factor could come under multiple fundamental categories, like market demand leads to developing an electric vehicle. Now, this developing an electric vehicle is because of the shortage of petrol or diesel. So we can consider that it is meeting the stakeholder needs. Or since you are developing an electric vehicle, which is something new, you are trying to improve an existing product. Or since you are entering into a completely new kind of product, it could be a kind of like business strategy. So this particular example may fit into 3 different categories also. So even though it is a specific factor, which is market demand, it can fit into multiple fundamental categories. So it's not necessary one project should only be part of one category. Now let's say a legal requirement. Now a legal requirement may be something that meets the regulatory, legal, or social requirements. And for example, a construction company update their processes to comply with new safety regulations introduced by the government. Now this could fit into the first category predominantly. Now let's say there is a new technology factor. An insurance company wants to develop an artificially intelligent data mining system to target the right customers for their products. Now this could be something you can consider that you are trying to improve your product, or maybe you are trying to look at a technological strategy, a new technological strategy, right? Because there is a new technology that has come, which is artificial intelligence. So probably it may fit into multiple categories. Another example you can look at is, say, for example, environmental consideration. Now, environmental consideration, let's say, for example, an IT company wants to use 100% renewable energy for their data centers. Now, once again, this could be something that fits into probably improvement of your product or service, or it could come into some kind of change in business strategy. Or sometimes, right, if in case a country wants this to be implemented, a state government wants this to be implemented, then it could also come under the regulatory requirement. So you can see that there are specific factors and there are some fundamental factors. For the specific factors, I have given only a few examples. There could be other specific factors like competitive forces. There could be something like political changes, economic changes, customer requests might lead to projects, business process improvement, social need. All these could be part of the various factors that lead to projects.